in your mouth. While you sleep, the muscles in your mouth and throat relax, blocking your airway and causing that dreadful snoring sound. Zipa RX is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow, stopping snoring the very first night you use it, guaranteed. It's the miracle you've been waiting for.
It molds right to your mouth. It fits very comfortably.
The very first night that Juan used the Zipa is the first time in 8 years that we slept the whole night through.
I feel rested the next day. It's made a huge difference in my life.
Zipa RX self-molds, so it's incredibly comfortable. It's dentist designed and cleared by the FDA. It's safe and effective. We're so confident it'll work for you. We'll let you